2006 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, traction control, navigation system, CD changer, power passenger seat, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, air conditioning, front, driver lumbar. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.